show you how to fetch the image from the internet by these links. Okay, so in our data handler we have to add some parameter to our function fetch image, and it will be the UI image view. Okay, because in our cell, okay, if I open the Xcode if I open the table view cell, we got the UI image view. Okay, so we have to pass the reference to our function for loading the image. Okay, so it will be type of image view, and let's say image view. Okay, so what we need to do now, so we will cache the downloaded images. Okay, so first what we need to do is check if the file exists in the folder, in the documents folder, and then if not exist, we have to download the data. Okay, so first of all we have to set the image view to image, set the image to UI image, and we will set the image to the thumbnail. Okay, so just name it image thumbnail. Okay, so this will set for the start when the data will load it to the thumbnail what we imported. Okay, so now with a private function, and we will call it is cached, and it will be take a string, and it will be name of the file. Okay, so if is existing, is cached, I will just load it from my file system, or if not exist, I will download it from the internet. So what we need to do now is add here some argument, and we have to add the URL of the image. Okay, so and it will be the string. Okay, so we will pass this image URL here to the URL parameter. Okay, so what we need to do now is to check if the image was downloaded. So what we need to do is take from the string, and we have to take the last path component. Okay, so this will take from this URL the last name of the file. Okay, so I will take this, and will be the string let, and will be the file name. Okay, so now I have to make a file manager. So the file manager will check if the file existing at the path in the documents directory. Okay, so what I need to do is to check if the file exists. Okay, so I will ask file manager file exists at path. Okay, and and the path I missed out I have to return the bool value. Okay, so I will return because this function returns a bool. Okay, and I have to check if is the file existing at the path, but I have to get the documents directory path. Okay, so I have to make let documents path. Okay, and it will be a string, and the function is ns search path for directories in domains, and it is um, is not working. Okay, the domain mask is user domain mask and true. Okay, so and I have to cast it to the string. So now I will try if it's building as a string. Oh, I have to add this. So now it is building, so it works. And what we need to do is just place here the values of the documents path. Okay, and then the value of the file name, so just file name. Okay, so this is the simple function for recognizing if the file is cached in our documents directory. So now in our fetch image, now we can choose. So if is cached, okay, so if it's cached, well, by this ridiculous argument is cached, okay, and we will pass the string, and the string is the URL. Okay, maybe it's better to make the URL. Okay, so now if it's cached, yeah, we have to make this function class. Okay, so if it's cached, we just load the image. Okay, so I just make, if existing, I will make the UI image and set it to the image view. So I just say image view image, and I will make the UI image and contents of file, and I have to make the else statement. So, and the contents of file will be linked to the directory to the documents path. Okay, so what I need to do is to load the file from the directory. Okay, so I have to add it again. I will copy this. Okay, and I have to load it by the documents path and your last path component. Okay, so now this will load the image if it's cached. Okay, so but if it's not cached, is we have to load it from the internet. So first of all, we create a new private class function, and this function will save the image to cache from the internet. So cache, we will call it cache image, and we only set the it will be the data or image, and it will be type of NS data. Okay, and we have to pass to the function the name of the file. Okay, so we have to make new argument, and it will be name, and the type will be string. Okay, so in the cache image function we have to save the image, so we just make the image and say write to file, and the path will be this again, so I have to copy this and make it here. Okay, and atomically will be true, so I will just add again this, so it will be again the documents path, and the name will be the name from the cache image. Okay, so now we got the function for the saving the cached image, and what we need to do is the last thing, and this will be the thing of downloading the image from the internet. Okay, so I will show you next time how to do it.